Hi, Dr. Sunil Gadhwal welcomes you once again in lecture video classes. The Calgon conditioning. In this method, we are adding Calgon, which is sodium hexameta phosphate, in the boiler water to prevent the formation of scale and sludge. Calgon convert the scale forming impurities, basically CaSO4, which are responsible for permanent hardness, to soluble complex compound, and that can be easily removed by blowdown process. Treatment with sodium aluminate. Sodium aluminate is, if we see the chemical formula, it is NaAlO2, and it gets hydrolyzed and yielding corresponding NaOH and gelatinous precipitate of aluminium hydroxide. This aluminium hydroxide, if suppose feeding water have some small particles of sands and temporary causing hardness, during the boiling of water, this gelatinous precipitate will try to move towards bottom of the boiler, and during this settling down process, it will tap sand particles and temporary causing hardness salts and force them to move towards boiler bottom and will settle down. Also, this NaAlO2 convert into corresponding NaOH. This NaOH will react with the permanent hardness causing salts to convert them. For example, if we take magnesium chloride, that will react with sodium hydroxide and make a precipitate of magnesium hydroxide, which will deposit as a PPT in boiler. By blowdown process, we can easily remove this also. Now, electrical conditioning. Sealed glass tube bulb having mercury connected to a battery is set rotating in the boiler. When water boils, mercury bulb emit electric discharge that prevent scale forming particle to adhere together to form scales. So it will neutralize the charge of the particles and bind them together as a non-sticky material. Another one is radioactive conditioning. Some radioactive conditioning tablets are placed inside the boiler water. At a few minutes, the energy radiation emitted by these salts prevent to form the formation of scale. So this is also helpful in the boiler. Another is complexometric method. As we had discussed in EDTA method in details, that this ethylene diamine tetraestic acid will bind with metal +2 ion. Either they are for a temporary or permanent hardness causing. It will effective at a particular pH, basic pH 9 to 10. So first we have to increase the pH of water, and then if we add 1.5% alkaline solution of EDTA in feed water, the EDTA will bind with the scale forming cation to form a stable and soluble complex. As a result, the sludge and scale formation will not be possible. So this EDTA prevent the deposition of iron oxide in the boiler, also reduce the carryover of oxides with the steam, and it protects the boiler unit from corrosion by wet steam. So, hoping that all of you enjoyed this video lecture class and understood the concept. Thank you.